So Radial Array was one of those things we improved in the last version. However, we further improved it in this latest update. So if we tab into edit mode, we'll just grab this face and just Control-Shift-B bevel it. And I'll snap a cursor there. And using boxcutter, we're just going to draw a box, shift it to live. And we're going to go here and use a radial array by clicking on Control. And here we are using the radial array with this area. However, if you decide that you want to go in and edit the modal after the fact with Radial Array, you can now do that without having to hold Control. I found that particular behavior annoying. It was a bit of an oversight on our part, so I do apologize for that, but just letting you know that that has been rectified. So now you can Radial Array to your heart's content. In fact, here we are using Radial Array once again, radialing around the same position, continuing working without interruption.